A disease that was declared eliminated in the U.S. over 20 years ago is now seeing cases across the country, and one of those is here in Pennsylvania. Bailey Wojcik tells us more about why this is happening and what you can do to protect yourself. Bailey.
Sean, over 160 cases of measles have been confirmed in the United States so far this year. Local doctors say that while the disease is deadly and highly contagious, being vaccinated can keep you safe.
On Sunday, officials with the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services announced that a case of measles was confirmed in an unvaccinated child. Officials say this is the first measles case in Pennsylvania this year. The CDC also says that this case is one of over 160 across the country so far in 2025. They say that 95% of these cases have been among people who are unvaccinated.
We have seen outbreaks of measles in a way that we hadn't necessarily seen 10, 20 years ago.
That's Elizabeth Dunmore with Conemaugh Memorial Medical Center in Johnstown. She says that while measles is highly contagious, causing rashes and even brain or lung infections, vaccinations can keep you protected from the disease.
It's estimated that in an unvaccinated population, about 90% of people will get measles once they've been exposed.
The CDC also says that vaccination rates in children have declined in just the last few years. Dunmore says that's why cases of measles, which was declared eradicated over 20 years ago after widespread use of the vaccine, are starting to increase again.
We've really been able to advance the health of the world by being able to eradicate or minimize these diseases. It's concerning when we've made such progress.
She says she's encouraging community members to get vaccinated for measles, especially because the disease is most contagious when a person is not yet showing symptoms. With outbreaks and cases across the country, Dunmore says it's important to stop the spread.
Vaccines, again, were such an advance in the 20th century that allowed us to see longer life expectancies, to remind us that we don't have to worry about children dying of these infectious diseases anymore. Read and accept vaccines is something that is really a wonderful thing for us.
If you want to learn more about measles and getting vaccinated, you can contact your health provider. You can also visit our website, WJACTV.com, to learn more about the case that was found in Pennsylvania. Reporting live, Bailey Wojcik, 6 News.